Alright, now it's time for the dreaded end perm, which is actually not really that bad for one-handed. This alg is quite simple. In fact, it's comprised of one part which is repeated twice. It's just a little alg which swaps two opposite pairs. And if you do it twice, it'll do an end perm. This is how it goes. Alright, that little RUL thing which swapped the two pairs, now you just do it again. It wasn't so bad, huh, was it? Okay, now the way I finger trick it. The first move is an L. So I'll do kind of my little half rotation thingy like I always do. I'll do an L, and now I have to do U prime. The way I do the L is kind of like doing a U, and in this movement I can just continue it and do a U prime like this. So two moves in one movement. Now my pinky's right here, all I have to do is an R. Now I have to do a U2. To do that, I'll just do two U primes. I want to do a U2 flick because it'll get my hand out of position. And it's nice to have my index right here so that I can do the L prime like this. Now I'll use my pinky to do the R, which is actually a U. Now I'll tilt the cube back so I can do an R prime with my pinky again. Now I'll just repeat the same thing all over again. I'll do this kind of 2-in-1 combo here for the LU prime. Now R, U2. And now in this case I don't have an AUF, so it makes it a lot easier. I can just do this L prime like this, and I can do the U like an R this time, because I can do the final R prime like a fat U prime, like that. Now I'll do it once again, so this is how it goes. 2-in-1 combo, go like this, the U2 here. Now, actually I start doing the second part before I'm done the first part, because it's just RL, so I can do them in whichever order I like. I'll go like this, now I'll do the R prime afterwards. Now, like this. And in this case, there's no AUF, so I can just bam. Now, if there was an AUF, I would do it slightly differently, at least for the end. So the beginning would be exactly the same, like this. Oops. And then I just not do a fat U prime, just do an R prime and do the AUF. Now this is what it looks like when it's done quickly. Oops. It's not what it's looked like. This is what it's supposed to look like. Like that. Or if there's an AUF, let's say like this. Bam.